As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on the parts and tools I use in today's video. Let's check out our 2017 Toyota Corolla front brake pads and rotors. Hey, this is going to be a quick overview, but after you watch this thing, you're going to be fully confident to do this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this wheel. You got 21mm lug nuts. This one had a hubcap cover there, so you just take a big flathead screwdriver, pop your cover off, and then 21mm lug nuts. A good place to lift this thing, it's got like a tow hook under here. You can see where I'm jacked up, and that gives us the advantage of lifting both wheels off the ground, so you don't have to do it one at a time. Always use a jack stand. Then over here we got our wheel off, and let's look at the business end of this thing. So here's our caliper. Our caliper is already off. It would be sitting here right like so. So you're gonna take the two 14mm off, and then we're gonna set this guy up here. You have a 14 here, a 14 here, and then your pads will just be sitting in there like that. You can just use your fingers, focus camera, focus. You can use your fingers and pop these pads out, or you could take a flathead screwdriver and kind of wedge it in there, pop them out that way. And then if you want to take this rotor off, you would take, it's probably a 17mm socket and ratchet there and there, and remove this whole bracket piece, and then this rotor will be free to come off. A lot of times these rotors can stick on here pretty good, so you might want to take a big old hammer, pop them here, it'll break them loose. You can pull them off. If that doesn't work, they also have a spot here and here where it's almost like a press. You can take, I believe it's a 12mm bolt off the car, start to bolt them up in there, and it'll press the rotor off. So now that you got everything removed, the only thing you really need to know about putting everything back together is, for this caliper, the piston's got to be compressed back in, which you can see I've already done. So take an old brake pad, take a C-clamp like this, go ahead and set it up like that, and then, you know, twist the clamp back in. That'll compress your piston back. Also, these slide pins, you want to pull them all the way out and just lubricate them with disc brake grease. So that's it. Also, if you're reusing the old clamps, you're going to want to apply some disc brake grease on the ends of the new brake pads. A lot of times it'll